Hello guys, this is grade 6 math worksheet for end semester 3, year 2022-2023. If you don't have this worksheet, you can download it from the link in the description box below. Let us start. The first question, true or false? The range of the data set 75, 64, 97, 71, 58, 29, 43 is 68. The range is the difference between the greatest value and the least value. The greatest value here is 97 and the least value is 29. So 97 minus 29 equals 68, which is the same answer, so this is true. The mean of the data set 82, 60, 95, 68, 83, 90, 19 is 73. To find the mean, you have to add all of the values and divide them by number of values, because we define the mean as the sum of all values divided by number of all values. This is mean or average. You will add all of these values, which is 497, and we have how many values? Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So divide by 7. 4 divided by 7 cannot be, so 49 divided by 7 is 7. 7 times 7, 49, subtract, it's 0, 7 down. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So the mean is 71, not 73 as given, so the answer is false. The area of the following triangle is 24 square centimeter. Area of the triangle equals half base times height, or we can say base times height divided by 2. The base here, as you can see, is 6 and the height is 8. So substitute half times 6 times 8, which is 3 times 8, 24, the same answer. So this is true. Each week, Ahlam saves 6% of her salary. If Ahlam earns $275 a week, she saves $16. We need to find how much 6% of 275. Here we have two ways to solve like this question, to convert 6% into a fraction or a decimal. For me, I prefer decimals. We can write 6% as 0.06 times 275, and now find the answer. So multiply 275 by 6. 6 times 5, 30, 0 and the cap 3. 6 times 7, 42 plus 3, 45, 5 and k of 4. 6 times 2 equals 12 plus 4 equals 16. We have two decimal places, so place the point after two places. The answer would be 16.50, which is not the same answer, so this answer is false. How many days a month do students have homework? Is a statistical question? Of course, yes. So we can say this is true, a statistical question. The chess club saved 30% of the money they raised selling books on how to play chess. If the club earned $900, how much did it save? This question is same like question 4. We need to find 30% of $900. So we'll convert 30% into decimal form, 0.30 multiplied by 900. Now multiply 30 times 900, which is 3 zeros down, and 3 times 9 equals 27. We have two places, so place the point after two places. The answer would be $270, which is second choice. Mona got $260 for her birthday. She decided to save $65. What percent of 260 is 65? A percent equals part divided by whole, and then multiplied by 100 to convert into percentage form. So we'll divide 65 by 260. 65 less than 260 cannot be divided. Put 0.0, the point will be up. Now 650 divided by 260 has 2. 2 times 260 is 520. Subtract, it will be 0, 3, 1. Still we have remainder, so put another 0 down. Now we have 1300 divided by 260, which equals 5. 5 multiplied 260 equals 1003. 300. So the answer is 0.25. This, how can I write it as percent? Multiply by 100. So move the point to right 2 places, it would be 25%, which is second choice. A pet store chain sold 400 pets during a 6-month period. How many cats were sold? Find 26% of 400. Same like question 4 and question 6 as well. We need to find 26% of 400. So 26% can be written as 0.26 and of multiply 400. Let us multiply 400 by 26. 400 multiplied by 26 is 10,400. Now we have 2 places, so place the point after 2 places. The answer would be 104, which is the last choice. Find the area of the parallelogram. The area of the parallelogram equals base times height, as we know. Let us determine which is base, which is height. The base and height making T or L. So this is the height and this is the base. This is 62 as given, and this is 22. So it's 22 times 62, which equals 1,364. This is choice. Find the area of the parallelogram. It's base times height, as we just said. So, which is base? Of course, 68 is the base, and the height is 46. So multiply 68 by 46, which is 3,128, which is the last choice. Area of triangle, as we said, is half base times height. So we need to determine which is base, which is height. This is the base, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the height 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a half times 4 times 5, which is half of 20, 10. The area of the triangle, half base times height. Here, the half of base is already given, which is 8, and the height is 7. So it's 8 times 7, which is 56 square centimeter. The area of parallelogram, base times height. So let us multiply 17 times 12, which equals 204, the first one. For this question, we know that volume equals length times width times height. We'd multiply 3 and 3 over 4, multiply 3 and 1/3, multiply 2 and 1/2. To convert any of these numbers, you need to multiply the whole number by denominator, then add by numerator. So 3 times 4, 12, plus 3 equals 15 over 4. By the same way, do the same. 3 times 3, 9, plus 1, 10 over 3. Then 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5 over 2. Then you can simplify to make it easier for yourself to multiply. So I will divide here by 3 is 1, divide here by 3 is 5. Divide here by 2 is 1, divide here by 2 is 5 as well. Now we have the numerator 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125, and down 4 times 1, which is 4. To convert this again, let us use long division. 1 to 5 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4 cannot be. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. 0. 5 down. 5 divided by 4 is 1, which is 4. Subtract, it's 1. WDN. The whole number is 31, and numerator is 1, and denominator is 4. So the answer is 31 and 1/4. What is the surface area of the triangular pyramid? If you unfold this shape, you would find it consists of 4 faces, each of these faces in a shape of triangle. The area of one face is half base times height, but we have 4 faces, so supposed to multiply this by 4. So 4 times half would be 2. 2BH, this is the formula of triangular pyramid. Let us substitute in this, just to determine which is base, which is height. The base as given here is 6, and the height is 5. So let us multiply 2 times 6 times 5, which is 60 square centimeter. Once again, area of parallelogram equals base times height. The base is 6 and the height is 22. So multiply 6 times 22, which equals 132, the last choice. The surface area of the square pyramid below is how many square inches? This is the net of the square pyramid, and as you can notice, it consists of 4 triangles and 1 square in the middle. The area of a square can be given by S times S, side length times itself, which is 36. And the area of each triangle, half base times height. And here we have the base is 6, which is one side of the square, and the height is 12. So half times 6 times 12 equals 36. So we have this 36, 36, 36, 36. We have 5 of 36. So 36 multiplied by 5, 30, 0 and cap 3, 15 plus 3, 18. The answer is 180. Also, we have a formula. The formula of a square pyramid is 2bh plus square b. The base is 6 here given, and the height is 12. So let us substitute. 2 times 6 times 12 plus 6 square. This is exactly what we have done. 2 times 6, 12 times 12, 144 plus 36, which is 180, the same answer. Find the volume of the rectangular prism. We just said the volume equals the length times width times height. So we'd multiply 2.3 times 9.1 times 12.4. Let us start to multiply 2.3 times 9.1. We'll ignore decimal point and multiply 23 times 91. So 1 times 3 equals 3, 1 times 2 is 2, put 0, 9 times 3 is 27, 7 and carry up 2, 9 times 2, 18 plus 2, 20, add, it will be 3902. Now multiply this number by 124 by ignoring decimal point. 4 times 3, 12, 2 and carry up 1. 4 times 9, 36 plus 1, 37. 7 and carry up 3. 4 times 0, 0 plus 3 down. 4 times 2, 8. Put 0 for 2. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 9, 18. 8 and carry up 1. And 0 plus 1, 1. 2 times 2, 4. Now put 2 zeros for 1. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 9, 9, 0, 2. Add these numbers, so it would be 2, 3, 5, 9, 5, 2. With the 3 decimal places, the answer would be the first choice. Volume equals length times width times height. All of them are the same here. 2.1 times 2.1 times 2.1. So let us multiply 21 times 21. 1 times 1, 1. And here 2, 0, 2, 4. Add, it will be 1, 4, 4. Now 4, 4, 1 times 2, 1. 1, 4, 4, 0, 2, 8, 8. Now add, it's 1, 6, 12, carry up 1, 9. Now place 3 decimal places, it will be this choice. Which question is not a statistical question? What did Ali eat for lunch yesterday? This question is not a statistical question. Find the mean of the data set. In this case, you need to add all of these values and then divide by their number. We have 6 values, so add all 6 values, but find the sum is 158. Now divide these by 6. So it has 1, 6, subtract 2, 5 down, 4, 24, subtract 1, 8 down, 3, 18. So the answer is 143. What is the median of the set of data? To find the median, the first step is to arrange the data set from least to greatest or from greatest to least. So we need to arrange this data set. It's 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7. Now take the value which is exactly in the middle. The median is the value which exactly in the middle, which is 3. So the answer is 3. What is the mode of the set of data? The mode is the most repeated. Mode, most repeated. Mode is most repeated value. If you count here how many values was repeated, you would find 2 repeated 3 times, 3 repeated 2 times, 4 repeated 2 times, 5 repeated 2 times. So I would take the most repeated, which is 2. In case I don't have these two, so what is the mode? It would be 2, 3, 4, and 5. But here I would take the most repeated. The most repeated is 2. What is the range of the set of data? The range is the difference between the greatest value and the least value. You can find the greatest value here is 7 and the least value is 0. So 7 minus 0 equals 7, which is second choice. Find the median of the data set. As we said, to find the median, the value is exactly in the middle. But the first step is to arrange the data set. So let us arrange. It will be 2, 17, 19, 24, 33, 45, 53, 57, 60. The one in the middle is the median. So here, the one in the middle, which is 33. The median is 33. Find the surface area. As you can see, guys, this shape is a square pyramid. And we said we have a formula, 2bh plus square b. What is the base? The base is 8 and the height is 10. So substitute, it's 2 times 8 times 10 plus square of 8. 2 times 8 times 10 equals 160 plus 64, which equals 224 square centimeter. And don't forget the unit. And the unit here is square because we are dealing with area. In case of volume, the unit is cubic unit. Show all your work as you answer the following questions using the data in the table below. What is the mean? To find the mean, guys, we need to find the total of these, then divide them by 6 as we have 6 values. So you would add 49 plus 59 plus 57 plus 57 plus 60 plus 48, which equals 330. Now divide 330 by 6. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. And here 30 divided by 6 equals 5. So the mean is 55. We can write mean equals the sum of all values, which is 330, divided by number of values 6, which equals 55. At last, the question we were asked about the mean, which was 55. Now we need to find the MAD, mean absolute deviation. To find MAD, find the absolute deviation, which is the absolute of difference between each given value and the mean. Like 49 minus 55 equals what? The absolute equals 6. Absolute of 59 minus 55, which is 4. Absolute of 57 minus 55, which is 2, and so. Then add all of these absolute deviations and divide them by the number of values, which is 6. So let us do this 6, 4, 2, and here 2, and here 5, and here 7. Add all of these, which is 26. So the MAD equals the sum of all, 26 divided by 6. Now divide 26 by 6. It has 4, which is 24. Subtract its 2, 0.0, because we have remainder. 0 down, it has 3, 18. Subtract its 2, another 0, 3, 18. So 3 would be repeated. So we can write 4.3 recurring decimal. This is the MAD. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share this video with your colleagues to get benefit.